Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Home Command Center is probably one of the most essential pieces of technology for modern households, acting as the central hub for managing everything from smart home devices and security systems to communication and entertainment. In today's interconnected world, a well-designed command center can streamline daily routines, enhance security, and provide peace of mind, making it an indispensable tool for busy families and tech-savvy individuals alike. This review will delve into the top options available, helping you find the perfect system to unify your digital life and bring unparalleled convenience right to your fingertips. Number 5. Cinch. Magnetic Calendar Bundle. Introducing the Cinch Magnetic Calendar Bundle, your ultimate solution for staying organized. This set is designed to simplify your life and keep your schedule on track. With 3 distinct dry erase boards, monthly, weekly, and daily, you can effortlessly manage all your appointments and tasks. It's the perfect tool for busy individuals and families alike. Never lose your writing tools again. This set comes complete with 6 fine-tip markers, a large eraser, and strong magnets, all designed to stick right to your fridge. Enjoy a pristine writing surface that's incredibly easy to clean. Erase old notes without any smudging or ghosting, ensuring your planner always looks fresh and ready for new information. Update your plans with ease using 6 vibrant, colorful markers. Each marker features a built-in eraser tip, making it simple to jot down notes and make quick changes. These boards offer generous writing space, perfect for detailed notes, meal plans, or important reminders. Keep your home, workspace, or classroom perfectly organized. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive planning solution with monthly, weekly, and daily boards. All accessories are magnetic for convenience. If you need a versatile system to manage various aspects of your life, from daily tasks to long-term goals, this is a great choice for keeping everything organized on your fridge. What people say. It also comes with 6 different colored magnetic markers, each with an eraser built into the magnetic cap, plus a solo larger magnetic eraser for wiping entire boards or larger areas clean. Another thing that makes this set better than others is that it arrives in a flat box, which means the boards were not rolled up and are perfectly flat, making attaching them to the fridge a simple process. They adhere well. Each board is made of magnetic material, with no bubbling or creases, yet are easy enough to rearrange positions until you find what works best for you. The magnetic fridge boards, for calendar and chore list, are 5-star quality. Magnet strength is good quality and holds firm to our fridge. Number 4. Hivillexun Magnetic Dry Erase Calendar Whiteboard Set. Introducing the Hivillexun Magnetic Dry Erase Calendar Whiteboard Set. Keep your fridge, wall, or any metal surface organized with our monthly, weekly, and daily planners. Tired of flimsy calendars that fall? Ours features a thickened, no-slip magnet that stays securely in place, preventing bubbles and bending. It's durable and tear-resistant for year-round organization. Made from premium materials, this calendar wipes clean easily without leaving any residue. It's reusable, cost-effective, and sticks to any smooth metal surface. Stay on top of your schedule with this clear and visual monthly planner. Plan activities, reminders, appointments, and even parties with ease. Ensure your kids stay healthy by planning their weekly meals. Use it to track nutrition, plan grocery shopping, and make meal prep stress-free. Measuring 16.5 by 11.8 inches, this calendar fits perfectly on mini and full-sized refrigerators. Keep your family organized by tracking everything in one place. What we like. This option boasts a durable, tear-resistant design with a strong magnetic backing that won't slip. It's made from premium materials for effortless writing and erasing, ensuring long-term use. If you're looking for a reliable and reusable planner that stays put and is easy to maintain, this is the one for you. What people say. The markers have lasted all 3 years. I'm barely looking at getting replacement markers now after 3 years of constant use. The best part is the magnets stick very well and can be adjusted at different heights. Easy to clean and doesn't leave residue or marks behind. The dry erase markers are great quality as well, and I love the variety of colors it comes with. Number 3. SpaceAid 2-in-1 Paper Towel Holder with Spray Bottle. Introducing the SpaceAid 2-in-1 Paper Towel Holder. Keep your kitchen counter tidy and organized with this innovative stand. It's designed for ultimate convenience, allowing you to spray and wipe with ease. This holder features a built-in spray bottle, keeping everything you need in one place. Simply press the sprayer and you're ready to clean up any mess quickly and efficiently. Free up valuable counter space with this smart design. The detachable spray bottle allows for easy cleaning of kitchen surfaces, making tidying up a breeze. Crafted from sturdy, durable metal, this holder is built to last. It reliably supports both paper towels and the spray bottle, ensuring stability for years to come. Assembly is straightforward, so you can start using it right away. Grab the top and tackle messes wherever they appear, making cleaning more accessible than ever. Experience the convenience of this patent-pending design. It's the perfect solution for a cleaner, more organized kitchen or bathroom. What we like. This product cleverly combines a paper towel holder with a built-in spray bottle, allowing you to spray and wipe in one motion. Its sturdy metal construction ensures durability. If you value efficiency and a clutter-free countertop, especially for quick cleanups in the kitchen or bathroom, this integrated solution is ideal. What people say. We really like the black matte finish and the fact that the base is pretty heavy so you can actually tear off a paper towel without the whole thing toppling over. The spray cleaner is an added bonus to have right there also. The holder itself is sleek and super cute, the matte black matches my decor perfectly. Having the mini spray bottle you can fill and place directly in the holder makes everything so accessible. I don't have to pull out cleaners, then paper towels, it's all a one-stop shop. This is high-quality paper towel holder. Easy to use, looks nice. Number 2. Yuzehuaza Metal Wall File Holder, 4-pack black. Introducing a versatile organizer designed to simplify your life. It offers convenient storage for your documents and essentials, keeping your space tidy. Installation is a breeze with multiple options. Use the included adhesive hooks for a damage-free setup, or opt for traditional screw mounting for extra security. Crafted from sturdy metal with a sleek, modern design, this organizer not only looks great but is built to last. Its unique shape helps you find what you need in seconds. Perfect for any room, it can hold letters, magazines, photos, and more. Use the included cards to label each section for ultimate organization. The handles can be folded down when not in use, offering flexibility. Place it on your desk or hang it on the wall to maximize your space. Get ready to transform your space with this essential organizational tool. It's the perfect blend of style, function, and durability. What we like. This set provides 4 stylish metal wall file holders that can be hung or placed on a desk, complete with handles and hooks for added versatility. The trapezoidal design makes accessing files easy. If you need to organize documents, magazines, or mail in your home office or any living space, these offer a practical and aesthetic storage solution. What people say. The Home Command Center has a sleek and modern design that complements any home decor. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to control all your smart home devices from a single hub. The customizable dashboard allows you to prioritize the features and devices that matter most to you. Number 1. Circle and Square Personalized Clear Acrylic Calendar. Introducing our customizable wall calendar, designed to keep your family organized. Personalize it with your preferred titles for appointments, menus, and notes. Each board is meticulously crafted in our Utah workshop using high-quality, durable acrylic. We ensure it's built to last for years to come. Hanging your new planner is a breeze. It comes with a convenient template and all the necessary hardware for easy wall mounting. This dry erase calendar is completely reusable. Simply write your plans and erase them as needed, month after month. We stand by our product with a 100% guarantee. If your calendar arrives with any defects or damage, we'll send a free replacement promptly. What we like. This is a premium, personalized acrylic wall calendar that comes with customizable titles for a truly tailored experience. It's crafted with high-quality materials and includes an easy hanging template for perfect placement. If you desire a sophisticated, durable, and personalized command center for your family's schedule, this elegant option is the perfect fit. What people say. My new communication command center looks great and is easy to install. Major bonus for being made in America. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.